Tirta Gangga, the Water Palace, Bali, Indonesia. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. In the heart of Bali's eastern region lies a hidden gem of immense cultural and architectural significance, Tirta Gangga, which translates to blessed waters of the Ganges. It is named after the sacred Indian river Ganges. This enchanting place, with its serene gardens, intricate carvings, and sacred springs, is a testament to the island's rich heritage, balancing art, architecture, and nature in a blend of perfect harmony. Every corner of Tirta Gangga is adorned with intricate stone carvings and statues, reflecting the finest examples of Balinese craftsmanship. A former royal palace, this 1-hectare complex was built in the 20th century by the Karangasam royal family, but was destroyed almost entirely by the eruption of nearby Mount Agung in 1963. Building the water gardens, including the designing and labor work, was a favorite hobby of the last Raja, an imaginative and budding architect. He was influenced by a visit to the gardens of Versailles, France. The story goes that many of his visitors were often surprised to find the Raja himself working among his laborers, standing knee-deep in mud, digging out the earth. The courtyards of Tirta Gangga are laid out on 3 levels, representing the Hindu concept of Triloka, the mortal plane, the divine world, and the lower realm of demons. Each water feature within the complex has its own symbolism and purpose. For instance, the first thing we saw when we entered was the monumental Navasanga fountain. This 11-tiered fountain is designed to resemble lotus flowers and represent the divine hierarchy, with water flowing from the highest point downwards. The 8 deity figures encircling the fountain represent the guardians of the cardinal directions and are positioned around the powerful central deity of Shiva, here represented by the fountain itself. This fountain, together with the lower swimming pool and the Mahabharata pond, form the mortal level. One of the highlights of our visit was the Mahabharata pond. Walking along the octagonal stepping stones that crisscross the ponds, I felt as if I was walking on water, and seeing the huge koi fish swim at our feet as we fed them was amazing. The entrance to the second complex, the Divine World, was flanked by a pair of statues, reproductions of the original benevolent beast, Barong, his human-like feet playfully poking out in front. This complex has a reservoir which receives the spring water, from which drinking water is delivered via a pipe system to the town of Amalapura, and an underground pipe system which leads to the upper swimming pool, where it emerges through the mouth of a Rakshasa, a demon statue, which stands at the corner of the pool. Here, the water flows over into a lower level pool through to some small fish ponds, and from there into the rice fields that border the gardens. We eventually arrived at the lower realm, Tirta Gangga's largest water feature, the South Pond, which is located to the left of the garden's entrance. The pond contains the provocatively named Demon Island, which can be reached via a pair of bridges featuring ornately sculptured Balinese dragons. Demon Island isn't scary at all. It boasts a series of elegant quarterfoil-shaped fountains. Tirta Gangga is not merely a relic of the past. It continues to be a place of spiritual significance and an active site for religious ceremonies. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your friends about it.